Welcome to the KSGH Security Fast Track online business programs, where success meets innovation. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game-changing opportunity that will transform the way you approach online business. Join self-made multimillionaire Grant Hudson Hilton, who has spent years mastering the art of global business. Today, I'm excited to share my knowledge and experience with you through our exclusive KSGH Security Fast Track programs. Our programs are designed to fast-track your success in the online business world. Here's a sneak peek at what you can expect. Cutting-edge security strategies. Learn from industry experts about the latest security measures to protect your online business from potential threats. Proven growth tactics. Unlock the secrets to scaling your business rapidly, with strategies that have been tried, tested, and proven successful. Personalized coaching. Benefit from personalized online coaching sessions with Grant Hudson Hilton himself, ensuring that you receive tailored advice for your unique business goals. Comprehensive resource library. Access a treasure trove of resources, including guides and exclusive tools, to propel your business forward. Imagine a business where your success is not just a goal, but an inevitable outcome. With KSGH Security Fast Track, you're not just investing in a program, you're investing in a future of limitless possibilities. The KSGH program has already completely transformed the way others approach business, saving them time and money. The security strategies alone were worth the investment. Grant's business programs were a game changer for me, saving me time and money. I felt like I had a mentor guiding me every step of the way. Ready to take your new business idea to unlimited heights? Click the button below to enroll in the KSGH Security Fast Track online business programs now. Don't miss this opportunity to accelerate your success in the business world. Join us with Grant Hudson Hilton, and let's make your business dreams a reality. KSGH Security Fast Track. Unlock your business potential today.